Lero iga Jumatano tarehe 3 ntwabwate sitting ye Senate. Senate yagambire korumambia bakabona iga saa 3 onere. Karibu saa 3 yarue uamuzi kwamba ekina nkiabe yotwenjire ndonge iga mang'ana ya mashitaka atubiriwa mbali iga nkoboria abantu baitu ba Nyamira tababa mamuno omonto oyomo totige bitina totige okogengwa asoka ujisomoni chinke naende uchimotwe kimuranjirane nje ninde tayari okore gasi na inwe mwambeke ile impeachment kabere ene ria gatatu naende asenge njonga ile gasi yoko bwatania abantu ba Nyamira nana wachegionde bwensi asi aikere bono mbuya musu nogoto mumanye no mokene no bwatirigwa mwaigure igo jakera bono nje ninde tayari tubwaterane asenje abantu ba Nyamira no ti asenge njobo cheuri bwaino igo ndokwa na mange.
Hii shida ambayo tumeletewa na assembly, tumeletewa na wanasiasa, tunashukuru sana kwanza kumba gavana wetu amepita. Na kama gavana wetu amepita, hizi siku 2-3 ndio tumeona marafiki wa gavana ni akina nani. Mimi mwenyewe kwanza nishukuru wale wote watu wa Nyamira ambao tumeshirikiana nao. Pia nimshukuru gavana mwenzetu, gavana Simba Arati, ambaye tumeshirikiana na yeye. Na ni muhimu sana kwa sisi watu wa Nyamira na watu wa Kisii tunataka peace ikue ndio maendeleo ifanyike. Alafu pia kwenda mbele tuambie assemblies kama mnafanya impeachment lazima mfuate sheria.
We want to thank the Senate for upholding the rule of law and the tenets of constitutionalism. It was very clear, as we had indicated, that this motion of impeachment did not meet the threshold. And the threshold I'm talking about is the 2/3 threshold, which is provided for under Section 33 of the County Government Act. This issue of threshold and the element of removal of a governor from office, I will say it is sui generis. It is unique on its own, unlike any other motions that are passed at the County Assembly, which in most cases will be a third or majority of the third of the members in the County Assembly. And this is a very good precedence that has been set. Much as the Senate didn't delve into the issues of proxy, we have highlighted, and you could feel that the element of proxy does not exist in the Kenyan laws. So we want to really thank the Senate, and we are very happy that they have agreed with us and they have upheld the integrity and supremacy of the Constitution. Thank you so much.
Aseri tukoria lero tore no mogoko asengenjo amangana akorekana ali assembly ya itutarenga amangana yo maene njebuna nyangana naringe tiari kumira na barobu gekogera ekura tingageti ebachite bakafuchi siri gacha yane baka ngakira bono gwikira na ngoteba yonta eteko una nachite polisi ngobwatano musiko geto egera ngerese nkia ko ngakire kura na ende na mutomete
tina so broad based na the broad based tari yongo yo join ne youths babo soro no jende eyendo kiare ngonek aswan koragera na bantu bane bagaje timeti ngo bageresim bagaisanzo karagera mo igonto abwata mangana ndokwandia mangana Senate ndokwandia mangana broad based na endese kaba na broad based to kwana ngete ngo kwana no manyene party okorwa William Ruto oswari watene chipati tari ebi muraiga ebi murana bingo amara birobya eria kabere yonte nena botamwe ngo kwana obo mobusi ekauri yane tego change na ende neba ne party ekorwa mwerekeo yongo isanza ne party ne bwata organs twagamba na ntwa consult na bantu baito twamenya ko mubuji moto otherwise iwabori nkeyo ekiara nkeganetio ogosaini nkeganeti ki okogamba nantomana ki obokimobesani nkitokobutorerwa lakini ntorare ngeria ensemo icio